Hey guys, Stormy here with TECHAERIS.com. I want to give you guys a little side-by-side video of the 24 and the 28-inch Power Plus snowblowers from EGO. This is this year's line of battery-operated snowblowers. Couple of differences between them that you can kind of see right off the bat when you're looking at the pictures, but being able to kind of see it up close, I think makes a big difference in maybe what you're going to purchase. So on the right side, we've got the SNT 2807, which is a 28-inch model. It does come with two 56-volt 12 amp hour batteries and the charger. The standard model is the SNT 2800, so that one has no batteries, so you have to supply your own batteries. On the left, we have the SNT 2416, which comes with two 10 amp hour batteries and the charger. The standard model is the SNT 2410, which has no batteries. Again, you provide your own batteries. Both blowers do state that they will run anything from a 5 amp hour battery and up of the 56-volt batteries that EGO provides that you can purchase. Of course, it'll mess up your run times. You know, a lot lower, a lot slower, a lot less power if you're running a lower amp hour battery in it. If we look up front at the beginning, you'll see the decks, of course, are quite a bit different. You got 28 inches across here on the one on the right. That also has a much larger, about a 15-inch auger on it. Whereas the one on the left is going to have about a 12-inch auger on it. So a little bit different in capabilities there. If we go further up, other differences that you'll have is you still have the headlights on the front. However, on the left, on the 24, you've only got two on the right and left. And on the 28-inch, you actually have one also in the middle. So it gives you a little bit more lighting on the 28-inch. When we start talking about the chutes, we're looking at an electric chute operation here at the top, which will move your chute. And then the 24-inch is a mechanical, so it still uses wiring and cables and pulley systems in order to maneuver across the rounds. Battery weights on the 28-inch is going to be 7.9 pounds each, so about 8 pounds per battery, so you're adding 16 pounds there. 7.4 pounds on the 24. The charge time will be about 180 minutes to go from dead to fully charged on the 28-inch, 160 minutes on the 24-inch. The other big differences that you'll notice is going to be the tire size. So if you look here on the 28-inch, we can get these in here better. You'll have much larger tires on the 28-inch blower. The tires on those are going to be a 16 by 5, and the ones on the 24 are a 14 by 5. They're both the 24 is going to be a 4-ply, whereas the 28 is a 2-ply. They're both tubeless. The 28-inch tires will hold 410 pounds, whereas the ones on the 24-inch will be 404 pounds. Total weight of both machines, the 28-inch comes in at 181 pounds, where the 24-inch comes in at 146 pounds with batteries. Other things to note, if you noticed, is the height of the handles. So they do adjust in 3 different height levels, which are all adjustable from down here. You have to unscrew the top one, and the bottom one's on a slider. So you unscrew the top one, slide them up and down. On the 28-inch, you start off at 20 or 32.5 inches at the lowest. Next setting will put you at 34, and then up at 35.5. Now on a 24-inch, you're looking at 32.75, 33.75, and then 36 for your highest. So a little bit taller on the 28-inch than on the 24. And then if we come back around to the side, and you look at the angle in which the handles are, you'll see that the 28-inch has a much steeper angle than the 24. Hopefully that gives you a little bit more of a look at the differences up close between the 24 and the 28, and might help you figure out which model you want to go after. If we're talking price ranges, we're looking at the 28-inch model with the batteries coming in at about $2,200, $2,199. Without the batteries, $1,499. And then on the 24-inch, we're looking at $1,799 with the batteries, and then $1,199 without the batteries. So quite a big price swing there, but if you've already got the batteries, you can save yourself some money and just get the machines. And then, of course, that's just MSRP, so might be able to catch these guys on sale.